Welcome back to Aaron's Daily Thoughts. Today's subject is clean. Today I'm going to be talking about a simple yet powerful principle. Clean your environment. I've talked about this many times before on this channel. The reason why cleaning your environment is so effective is because the place where you live each and every day, the place you go back to, the place you sleep in, your room, that is the place that reflects what's on the inside. If your room is messy, if your living space is full of clutter and garbage and whatever, then maybe that means your mind is full of clutter too. If you clean your room, if you allow yourself to let go of things, ask yourself, is this bringing me happiness? And if it's not, then to get rid of it. When you clean up your environment, you clean up your life. The more organized you are in the space where you live each and every day, the more organized you will be in your life. I have seen a direct correlation with that in my life. As soon as I decided to get rid of the clutter in my room and actually clean, then my life just seemed to get so much more organized. I felt so much more clean, more pure. My brain got a little bit clearer. And then I realized it wasn't just the outside that matters, it's also what's deep on the inside. My room looked clean, but if you opened up all the drawers, there was still just random messy stuff that I didn't know what to do with. So once I decided to go deep down and actually deep clean things, letting go of things that I really didn't need, then I allowed myself to clean myself, my brain, deep within. And that allowed for so much more space in my thinking, in my life. I promise you, there is a direct correlation between how organized your room is and how organized your life is. Clean up the areas you dwell in the most. Start with your room. Make your bed every single day. I encourage you to do that. Just getting into that simple habit will allow you to start a day with good routine, with clean thoughts. And another one of your living spaces, if you have a car, clean that up too. Clean up every space where you live, and I promise you, you will see a difference in your life. You will be able to stop worrying about getting stuff done, and you will actually be able to get it done. The other day, I posted a video about doing things right now. I promise you, the circumstances will never be absolutely perfect, so why not start right now? Why not start now? Clean your environment, and you will have a clean life. That's all I have for today. See ya.